Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we explore the booming business of pet sitting, a flexible and rewarding way to turn your love for animals into a profitable side job. Whether you're a seasoned pet enthusiast or a budding entrepreneur, pet sitting can offer you a fulfilling blend of companionship and income. Let's start by understanding the fundamental appeal of pet sitting. The pet market is growing rapidly, with more individuals and families owning pets than ever before. According to recent statistics, there are over 90 million pet dogs and 94 million pet cats in the United States alone. This widespread pet ownership creates a massive demand for reliable pet care. Many pet owners face challenges when they must travel or work long hours, which is where pet sitters come in. You provide a crucial service that ensures pets receive the love, attention, and care they deserve while their owners are away. Now, let's discuss how you can tap into this profitable opportunity. First, identify your niche. Are you a dog lover with a knack for long walks? Or do you have experience with exotic pets like birds, reptiles, or even pot-bellied pigs? Focusing on a particular type of animal can help you stand out in a crowded market. Don't overlook the potential of offering specialized services, such as caring for elderly pets or providing pet training during your sitting engagements. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to build a solid reputation. Start by caring for the pets of friends or family members to gain invaluable experience and testimonials. Positive word of mouth can be a powerful marketing tool in the pet sitting industry. Take this opportunity to develop essential skills, such as pet first aid, grooming, and understanding animal behavior, all of which you can showcase in your profile. In today's digital age, establishing an online presence is crucial. Create a professional profile on popular pet sitting platforms like Rover, Petbacker, or Wag. These platforms connect pet owners with sitters, making it easier for you to find gigs and verify your credibility. Your profile should include clear photographs of yourself with animals, a detailed description of your experience, and transparent pricing for your services. Don't forget to specify the areas you cover and any unique services you offer. Marketing your services doesn't stop online. Consider networking at local pet events or partnering with local veterinary clinics, pet shops, and animal shelters. Leaving your business cards or flyers in these locations can help you reach a local audience. Additionally, establishing a good rapport with local businesses can lead to referrals and continuous work. Now, let's talk about the core of your business, pricing your services. Research the going rates in your area and ensure your prices reflect your level of experience, expertise, and the quality of attention you provide. Offering customized packages can attract more clients. For example, you could offer a basic pet check-in service, a premium service including walks, playtime, and feeding, or even an overnight stay if needed. As your client base grows, it's crucial to manage your time efficiently. Using scheduling tools or apps can help you keep track of your appointments, ensuring you're always on top of your commitments. It's also wise to obtain insurance for your pet sitting business, safeguarding you and your clients against unforeseen incidents. In conclusion, pet sitting is not just a love-filled endeavor, but also a financially rewarding one. By leveraging your passion for animals, building a credible reputation, and effectively marketing your services, you can carve out a successful sideline business that fits around your schedule. We encourage you to take that step today. Who knows? This side hustle might just become your dream job. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of pet sitting for profit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insightful videos. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9to5.com.